ご搭乗ありがとうございます。
Good day mga ka-online palaboy! My Japanese adventure is drawing to a close, but my heart longs to linger. Perhaps it's because I'm savored every moment. Especially the culinary delights. During my 9 days sojourn in Japan, one restaurant has stood out as my absolute favorite. It's an ageless gem that offers an authentic Japanese dining experience without breaking the bank. I'm talking about Yoshinoya, a name familiar to me due to its presence in the Philippines. My experience in Japan surprised me pleasantly. They offer something that elevates my dining experience. The opportunity to cook your own teppanyaki and gyudon right at your table. And of course, their signature unlimited red pickled ginger. The unique setup sets Yoshinoya apart from the typical fast food chains. With its reasonable prices, you can embark on a cooking adventure without emptying your wallet. My first encounter with Yoshinoya's DIY cooking was in Akihabara. I had no clue what to order till I noticed a patron beside me is skillfully grilling meat on a skillet. Naturally, I followed suit, and it turned out to be a fantastic choice. I stumbled upon Yoshinoya by chance while searching for a wooden sign with my name in Japanese at the neighboring store, and a tempting bowl of gyudon for 500 yen convinced me to dine here. The rest, as they say, is history. My order arrived promptly. The bill was a mere 877 yen. It included a generous portion of beef for gyudon, teppanyaki, and a delightful miso soup. A true bargain. My second Yoshinoya adventure unfolded unexpectedly as I stopped at Kinshiko Station for lunch en route to Narita. To my dismay, I found the store closed. Determined to enjoy Yoshinoya, I located another branch just 400 meters away. I was informed that my favorite set meal was only available from 11 a.m. and it was only 10:30 a.m. Faced with limited time due to my upcoming flight simulation in Narita, I opted for an available set menu that also featured cooking options. Fortunately, it came with a salad complete with a user-friendly dressing dispenser. Simple yet convenient technology. My third Yoshinoya experience at Narita Airport was a mix of disappointment and joy. I was disappointed to learn that they had a branch right at the airport. My detour to Kenshiko Station felt like a wasted effort. Yet, it brought me comfort after my thrilling adventures at the Museum of Aeronautical Sciences, where I explored the world of flying, the Boeing 737 MAX, and the DCA. As expected, I indulged in their combo set meal. Sipping a refreshing soda to curb my sugar rush, knowing I'd missed Japan and its culinary dearly, I decided to have a breakfast at Yoshinoya once more. Trust me, you should not leave Japan without savoring a meal at Yoshinoya. You will relish both food and the savings. Thank you for dining with me. See you in the next episode.